A foolproof, science-based system that's guaranteed to melt away all your unwanted stubborn body fat in just 14 days. No matter how hard you've tried before. The 2-week diet is a revolutionary new dietary system that not only guarantees to help you lose weight, it also promises to eliminate more body fat, faster than anything you've tried before. The 2-week diet achieves in only 14 days, including at least 6 pounds, 3 kilograms, of body fat vanished by using some of the quickest and most effective fat-burning techniques ever created. 2-3 dress sizes dropped in just 2 weeks. Even if you've tried every other weight loss system out there. 2-4 inches removed from your waistline. Finally, you can start wearing clothes you really want to wear. Increased muscle leaving women toned and men sculpted. Achieve what usually takes months at unbelievable speeds. Decreased cellulite so you not only lose weight, but get tighter, more beautiful skin. Without painful surgery or injections. Increased energy so you wake up refreshed, instead of feeling exhausted as with other programs. Improved cholesterol levels that keep you and your doctor happy. If you worry about your heart, this is absolutely key. Healthier, youthful hair and skin that look better than ever. Thanks to simple scientific techniques in this system, you can lose weight and look amazing all at once. A lightning-fast metabolism that ignites your fat all day long, so you keep burning fat even while you sleep. Plus a long list of health benefits that will blow away your know-it-all doctor. He might even ask for your advice. The great thing about the 2-week diet system is that you can actually begin the program in the next few minutes because I've made all 4 handbooks available in PDF form, by instant download.